I'm going to just explain why I said what I said when I said it. Alright, so Bitcoin had hit 100K. Boom. It go 100K right here. 100K flat. The black line. I'm gonna make it really, really, really big. Boom. Big, bold black line. Make it black. It's gray. Boom. That's 100,000, right? Cool. Well, we finna go to a higher time frame, and we're gonna look at the bottom, the very, very, very bottom of Bitcoin. Look at that structure. What's this? Not structure. I don't even know why people just don't wanna. It's like, bro. Alright, so there's zero. Here's zero. Go ahead and zoom all the way out. It's 2022, 2021, and then 2020. This is when I started, March of 2020. Bitcoin was at, what, 4K? And then when my homie joined, Bitcoin was around 10K, because I remember, because when he did his, when he did his little thing to fund his account, he was on Cash App, and I think it was like, I was like, let me see what Bitcoin is so I can remember. And yeah, Bitcoin was at 10K. So boom, that's when my homie started. I started around here, but I wasn't looking at Bitcoin, so I didn't know that Bitcoin is actually lower than what I thought it was. Anyway, boom, the beginning. Bitcoin went up, it touched 19K. That shit dropped all the way back down to 3K after touching 19K. Alright, boom, came up 13K, dropped all the way back down to 3K. Boom, Bitcoin jumped all the way up to 64K. Right? Right. Drop back down to 28K. Boom! It jumped all the way up to 68K. And guess what happened, y'all? It dropped all the way back down to 15K. And y'all are trying to tell me that y'all making it out as if it's going to be impossible for Bitcoin to touch 70K, 75K, 80K, 85K. Why does that seem so impossible to y'all? I guess y'all are new and didn't think to look back at these charts, but like, bro, you gotta think. Bitcoin started off at fucking 0, shot up to, what, 19K, 19.6, dropped all the way back down to 3K, then it went from fucking 3K to 60K, and dropped back down to 20K, shot up to, what, 68K, and dropped all the way back down to 15K? Why do y'all think that Bitcoin is gonna go straight to 200,000 just because it hit 100K? Y'all realize what the market is doing when it hits these new prices? Anytime a new price was touched, it dropped. I don't know if y'all not seeing that or not. I'm talking about these new prices, not the old prices. I'm talking about this. Boom, drop, went higher, dropped even lower, went higher, dropped low again. That shit went from fucking, what is this, 73K all the way back down to 49K. So y'all trying to tell me that Bitcoin can't go from 100K to 70K, 75K, 80K, 85K? That don't seem impossible. I ain't saying that, y'all. Like I said, that bit was going to 0. I'm just saying, man. But for all the people who was upset, I understand if you bought it like 100K the day that it hit 100K, or bought it, you know, right when it hit 100 and whatever. You know, if you bought at the top, I understand why you upset and why you know, want to scream and shout and let it all the fuck out. But don't blame me because you got in at a high ass price. You know what I'm saying? Don't blame me. But anyway, on a serious note, the reason I feel like price could come back to 75K is because there is a lot of imbalance. I don't know if y'all even know what none of that shit mean. With crypto, forex, whatever the fuck you trade, like y'all know imbalance candles, gaps in the market, all that shit be having to be filled. It's the weekly time frame. So we have normal structure here. Even like in this area right here where we had structure, we had a big old jump. Price still dropped down and kind of clear these gaps. Like there's a gap here. It's fat ass imbalance candle. So it's like, that's how I be looking at it. I'm not saying that I'm 100% correct, but I know when the market leaves gaps, they go back and fill them. Even up in here, there was a gap here. It jumped up and it came back down. There was probably some gaps down here. The reason it came all the way down here to close some shit out. It don't have to do it right then and there when somebody say something about it. But if there's some gaps in the market, trust and believe, they gonna close them shits up before they go anywhere else. This shit can go up to 110 and still drop all the way back down to damn 60, 50K if it really wanted to. Like, I just gotta start looking at shit, looking at it through the bigger picture and stop like trying to look at everything on a smaller scale. Like, oh, Bitcoin hit 100K, now it's going straight to 250. No, the fuck it's not, man. That shit's not finna jump straight to 250,000. Not right now, man. Y'all gotta understand, Bitcoin was at 10K 4 years ago. 10K. 4 years? 4 years ago, man. So, you know, with that being said, y'all can have y'all opinions. I'm not saying I'm fucking correct and I run Bitcoin or nothing like that. I wouldn't even look at myself as a crypto trader. I'm just saying, 70K, 75K, 80K, 85K, there's no structure here. It just went straight up. I mean, it moved sideways, but these are some big pushes. Like, they gonna clear some of this shit. Especially this area right here, bro. So, I don't know. That's just how I feel. I'm entitled to my own opinion. I can feel how I want to feel. So shit, if y'all upset, that's cool. Be upset. I don't really give a damn. But this is just what I see, bro. And even still, with it coming into this area, that's still under 85K. So, yeah. But I'm about to sell this shit all the way down to 0. See y'all on the other side. I'm just kidding. But anyway, yeah, that's that.